Yo, give her the beans. That was a little disappointing, I'm not gonna lie. Just pull her in. It sounds good, but it's not there yet. We gotta fix that today. This car is just a little bit too nice to be in here. Tell the boys what you bought.
22 Supra.
22 Supra, dude. We kind of hinted this in the last video. If you guys paid real close attention to the background, you guys would have seen this beautiful Mark V Supra in the background. And my little brother just copped the Supra, which... Dude, you copped the Supra.
I had to.
One more time. It sounds good, but it's not there yet. We gotta fix that today. We're gonna be making the Supra loud. We had to turn the car around because this car is like impossible to put onto a truck lift. But somehow Jay managed. Jay figured it out and we got the car in the air and it's time to make this thing loud. Let's give the boys a quick little intro about the Supra because we haven't explained this car. We've had this car for like a month now and it's just been in the background and we didn't really want to explain everything until we kind of got situated with the car. And just let them know, what is this?
This is my 22 B58 Supra. No, that's not right. It's 3.0. Wait, is it 3.0?
It's the B58. It's the,
Yeah, so
it ain't no 4-cylinder. We don't do 4-cylinders.
No 4-cylinder. It's the fast boy. It's the 22 Supra. I got it like last month. And you know, we just spent like the last month driving it.
I can tell from the wheels, dude, this thing is gross.
These are like good set of wheels too.
Hella brake dust, dude. That is disgusting. So this car has not been washed, not taken care of, but today we're gonna do her good. Today we're gonna do her a favor and open her up a little bit because it is way too quiet. It has little pops here and there, you know, the typical Supra tune or whatever, but today we have got something special going into the Supra. You wanna show them?
Yeah, let's go.
What do we got for the Supra today, bro?
Got the Titan Motorsports downpipe.
Hell yes,
eBay
brother.
Special.
That's what I'm saying. Right off
that Alibaba special, baby. So we got a Titan Motorsports downpipe, catless downpipe.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, brother. This thing pops like here and there, but with this downpipe, this is about to be insane. This little pipe is about to make your driving experience so much better. It's crazy. Because when you floor it, a lot of it better. When you floor this car, it's fast, but it's not loud. And now it's about to be loud. First things first is to disconnect the O2 sensors. Way easier to do that. What?
It's a BMW.
Yeah, you would, I mean, if you did cover that up, you would think it's a BMW. Look right there. It says BMW right there. First things first, pop off the cover, and then we got the two O2 sensors right over here. Yeah, these are burning, but two O2 sensors. Turbo is right around here, and the downpipe is gonna be right in this area. You can't get this off, dude.
You want me to try?
Yes, please. Master check, Jay gotta do it, dude. I can't do it. Oh, there we go. O2 sensors are disconnected. All right. Let's put this thing up in the air. First look underneath the A90 Supra for us. This thing hasn't even been in the shop. So the first time it's in the shop is the first time it ever went in the air. And yeah, it's time to get started on it. Yeah, we gotta wait for this to cool down. So we got the whole cat back over here. The cat back disconnects right over here. And then from this clamp onwards is the downpipe. That's a big cat. It shouldn't be too hard to install. We got one V-band coming right off the turbo. And then this little slip joint extension. The slip joint extension is apparently the hardest part about this whole install. That thing looks good up there. That thing looks real good in the air.
Fucking car pissed on me.
Yeah, there's like water coming out of here. Oh, dude, look at this. It's not a regular like circular exhaust. It's an oval.
Yeah.
It's an, wow. Dude, that's crazy. So it's like an oval, so it stays up higher in the air. So like even when you lower this thing, the exhaust won't really be scraping all that much, or at least the stock exhaust. Apparently you really don't need like an aftermarket catback for this because it's already super loud.
Yeah, with the downpipes, these cars are crazy.
Yeah, the muffler is literally smaller than the BRZ stock muffler.
Yeah.
So like this thing is about to be loud. I'm gonna let you take the lead on this. What do you think we should start with?
Junk the car.
Junk the car? Yeah. I agree.
Valid.
Yeah. Look at this. You don't have a gun?
Hey, dude, why did you give me that?
It was a good fit. I couldn't find the bigger system.
Wait, don't throw yet.
What the fuck is this?
Put that down. What?
Milwaukee?
Yeah.
What the fuck, dude?
Bro, Milwaukee is the shit.
How are you gonna cheat on Snap-on?
I have one Snap-on
I
thing
know.
and this is what you gave me.
That wasn't bad. I need a 7.
8 mil.
Huh?
It's an 8.
Is it?
Yeah.
It look like a 7.
You look like a 7.
Word.
I'm just kidding, babe.
This is a 7.
What? Oh shit, I didn't change it out.
This guy.
All right, so I know you shift it back.
Back, yeah.
Oh wait, there's one right here. I was like, yo, I know I'm not that weak, right? Hell yeah.
Oh, it's so clean.
This is the cleanest car we've ever taken apart. I haven't seen a nice like frame, subframe, anything. Just, oh yeah, undercarriage. I mean, besides yours.
Oh.
This is the cleanest one I've seen.
Yeah, this don't even got Brembos.
Yo.
No, I'm kidding.
Dude, this thing is so nice and clean. Man, I'm just like in awe. That's beautiful. I don't know, what I'm taking Jay's lead. Whatever he thinks, I'm gonna do. Master
All right,
tech
so
over here.
what the video say? Well, first we gotta take those hangers off.
What's up?
What?
Nothing. Putting him to work. That's right.
Yeah, this exhaust install ain't cheap.
I'm gonna enjoy this non-rust life while we have it, because if you guys are from the Northeast, you guys know rust is a problem. See, like right here,
Yeah.
we got it to move just a little bit. Usually this is hard, but luckily this is a brand new car, so I guess it barely got any like time to set in. I just want to show you guys this real quick before we start taking it off. Downpipe is right here. Big ass catalytic converter is right here, and then way over there. Camera focus. All right, way over there is the V-band. And we just gotta take off that bolt, and then boom, the downpipe should just drop because everything else is disconnected. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Oh, V-band's off now off. This is pretty much the only bolt that you have to take off the downpipe to get it off the turbo. Now it's just the V-band clamp. I'm sweating.
I think you're just nervous.
I'm sweating. I am nervous.
Do when he's working.
Whoa, whoa. Oh, she loose, bud. V-band is almost off? Oh, V-band's off. Look at that. Beautiful. Yo, bro, move over. Twist that dick. What? You never seen that? What video did you watch? You've never seen that video?
Let me see your fucking Pornhub.
What video?
You never see that? Hold up, bro. Come on.
Bro.
This guy definitely watches fucking ninja.
You gotta pull up the receipts.
Yeah.
He was like, wait, that wasn't TikTok. My man said that in full confidence and realized,
Yeah, I
oops.
know. Got it?
I gotta twist it a little bit.
Alright, so if you twist it, it should be good.
As Blow would say.
Twisted that dick.
I'm holding the downpipe. Almost out. It's almost out.
Told you it was fucking hammered.
Oh, ho, ho. It's a boy. It's a boy. Here's the OEM downpipe, and then here is the Titan Motorsports downpipe. Stock downpipe is out. We have 2 empty holes. We gotta transfer over the O2 sensors over to the new downpipe. We are gonna have a check engine light because we're not running a defouler, but eventually you're obviously gonna get a tune, so that's nothing to worry about right now. I hope that the check engine light doesn't actually throw this thing into lit mode because that's gonna really mess everything up. But there, if you guys look way over there, there is the A90 Supra Turbo. It's a big single. Here's the rest of the cap back, and yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, gotta transfer over the sensors and then throw the new downpipe in.
Oh, you motherfucker.
Here, let me try. Let me try.
Put it down and stuff.
There we go. Bro, that was so easy. Oh yeah.
How many times did I fucking try?
Did you loosen this one too?
Yeah.
Bro, that was so easy.
I don't know.
So basically, this connects to the back of the turbo, and it goes. Whoop-ah! That's what it does.
Sounds weak.
Oh, you think you can make better pops?
100%.
All right, go for it. Go for it. Let's see it.
That was my fault.
Yo, wait, you got better pops? Yo, you got better pops?
Better than that.
I got 2 colors.
Wait, you want to go for
This
it?
is fucking parted, if anything. Damn.
Let's hear Jay's. Yo, everybody started playing it safe because they heard me try hard. Everybody just played it safe as a joke. Yo, y'all ain't slick. That's in, right?
Give it a couple more.
Oh, that's in.
tugs.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
in. This little slip joint, we just gotta bring these a little bit closer together, like so, and then boom, clamp these down, clamp this bracket down, and then we're good to go. We don't know where any of the bolts go, so we're just kind of guessing. This thing's mad uneven, bro. Oh, she's ready for the first startup.
Oh shit.
Yeah! Dude, this looks like such a wiring nightmare. Oh my God. I pray to God I never have to wire this. Yo, you don't think he's ever gonna wanna go on flex fuel or anything? Flex fuel makes this car really fun. Boom.
God, Jay, master tech in my house. Evo.
But you gotta clip it down though. Dude, I love the white. The white is so pretty. Wait, let it warm up. Damn, that sounds good. That's louder. That's for sure. Wait, is it in sport?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, just take it off the wood first. Yeah, go back. Slow, stop. All right, you're good. You can smell it. It's so bad. Oh my God.
I showed you my AMG Benz outside.
Dude, that was loud.
That's valid.
Those pops were brutal. We gotta take it out for a little rip, but damn, this thing sounds good.
Yo, no, there's no check engine light right now.
Yeah, no, not right now, but there's gonna be.
Usually it's like right on the spot, I feel like.
Nah,
For BMWs, I think, yeah.
Maybe, but I think it might take some time. Becoming a menace to society already, dude. Had the car for a month and wow. That thing sounds good, dude. God dang, this is so much fun. I love how like we barely went over the Supra. Like the boys like probably are just processing now that you have a Supra, there's a Supra on the channel, and we're already just throwing downpipes on it, just giving her hell.
That's the way to go.
Hell yeah, dude. Oh my God, this is so much fun. The amount of trouble you're gonna get into this car now.
Nah.
Like, no, dude, before it wasn't loud. Like now when you drive it, it's actually gonna be loud. You know what's crazy though? That's in sport mode. Throw it in comfort and then give it like a light rev. Not anything too crazy. All right, and now, look, it's not that loud. See? If you ever want it, that's sport. When you're cruising and you just wanna like, you know, not cause any trouble, you can put in comfort and you're good to go. You're in stealth mode basically. And then when you want to be a menace to society, you throw it in sport and let her eat. Thoughts on the Supra? Thoughts on the downpipe? What do you think?
Supra's definitely valid.
Definitely needs a wash. What?
Supra's valid.
Supra's, I mean, it's
Downpipe's valid too.
That Supra, bro?
yeah, no shit. Of course it's valid. It's a
that's
Supra.
valid.
Yo, what do you think about the Supra? Downpipe
listen.
install, what do you think about it?
Honestly, like at first it was cool when you brought it by the first time.
Yeah,
It was cool.
when it was
Now-
stock.
yeah, but now it's fucking crazy.
It's a whole different animal now. But here is my little brother's new Supra. This will be on the channel. I don't know how many mods we're really gonna do to this thing just because like it's a Supra. What can you really do? I can't stop obsessing over this car. I've been driving it for like a month now and I still absolutely love it. Now it's time to work on Jay's car. You wanna pull the benzo in? Gotta do some maintenance on Jay's car. He's about to pull that in right now. Dude, we gotta throw some downpipes on the benzo.
You don't want the smoke, bro.
Yo, he wants to race you. BMW versus Mercedes, bro. Let's do it.
Nah, he don't want the smoke.
Are we, wait, shit. I mean, I kind of introduced this car. I mean, are we gonna mod it?
Maybe.
All right, I don't know how Jay feels about this car because sometimes he wants to mod it, sometimes he doesn't. But since the last time you guys saw it, he tinted this thing out. You cannot see anything through these tints. He got new wheels, got new headlights. I love these headlights. Yo, can you flick them on real quick? Oh man, these headlights are fire. It's coming along pretty nicely. I like it. I'm trying to get Jay back into cars, guys. If you guys follow him on Instagram, which if you don't, go ahead, follow him right now. He's into bikes now for some reason. I'm not really a bike guy, but I'm trying to keep him into cars, and this is the only car he'll mod. So I'm trying to get him to get back into cars, guys. Don't worry.
Not that car, that's mine.
Oh, yeah, that's the benzo growling. Oh my! I don't think the camera caught that. I just heard my little brother get out of the complex and rip it. He's gonna get in trouble. He doesn't have a single point on his license, but guaranteed the Supra is gonna get him in trouble.
Don't jinx him.
I'm not jinxing him. That's my theory. We'll see if it happens or not. He has a clean record, and I think this Supra with the downpipe is now gonna change him because he's gonna be ripping it everywhere. Let's see the entry. Now.